Hi everyone. Today I will show you a full guide on how to redeem codes from different regions Xbox in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end to get all the information. Let's begin. Step 1. Creating a new Microsoft account for the desired region. If changing account region isn't possible, if you can't change the region on your existing Microsoft account, you'll need to create a brand new one that matches the region of the code you want to redeem. If you can't change your existing account's region, you'll need to create a new Microsoft account for the region of the code you want to redeem. According to private internet access, you may need to use a VPN to connect to a server in the desired region while creating the new account. This can help ensure your new account is correctly associated with that region. Step 2. Redeeming the code. Once you have a Microsoft account set to the same region as your code, once your account's region matches the region of the code, you can then redeem the code. Log into your Xbox console or the Xbox website with the new Microsoft account you just created, the one associated with the desired region. Next, follow the prompts on your console or the website to redeem the code. And that's it. Creating a new account is a great alternative when region changes aren't possible.